So far, we've focused on AI for text. Now, let's step into the incredibly exciting world of generative AI for visual content. Imagine being able to describe an image and have AI bring it to life in seconds. That's the power we're tapping into today, transforming your ideas into stunning visuals. In today's digital landscape, visuals are important. They boost engagement on social media, enhance brand recall, and make storytelling more impactful. AI tools dramatically simplify the process of creating custom images, saving you immense time and resources. So, what tools can you use? Some of the leading platforms for AI image generation include DALL-E and Microsoft Designer. While each has its unique strengths and learning curves, they all share the fundamental principle of creating images from text descriptions. The core skill is prompting. You will describe exactly what you want the AI to generate. Let's try one. A virtual assistant working efficiently at a clean, modern desk, surrounded by plants in a bright, minimalist home office style. Digital art. Notice how we broke that down. We described the subject, a virtual assistant, the action and setting, working efficiently at a desk surrounded by plants, the mood or aesthetic, bright, minimalist home office, and even the art style, digital art. The more descriptive and specific your prompt, the closer the AI will get to your vision. This ability to generate unique visuals on demand is a game changer for content creation. Practice describing your ideal images and get ready to unlock a whole new dimension of creativity for your clients.